Welcome to our tutorial about how to achieve a good hand or footprint onto a piece of pottery. And don't worry, at the end of this video we have some tips and tricks about how to correct or touch up any mistakes. So let's get started. Begin by applying a good amount of pottery paint to the piece of acetate included in our takeaway handprint kits. You want to get a good coverage on there and cover an area larger than the child's hand. Make sure that you've evened it out well. Once you've got enough paint on there, you want to lay it on top of the piece of pottery you'll be applying the print to. And then open up the child's hand into a high five, flat palmed position and lay it down on top of the paint. Little press down to pick up plenty of paint onto the child's hand, and then once you've done that, hold the child's hand firmly in place whilst gently easing the acetate sheet out from underneath. Once you've done that, a little press to push the print down onto the pottery. 1, 2, 3, lift the hand up, and there you go. Now with a footprint, we prefer to apply the paint directly to the child's foot rather than with the acetate method. Now this can be a little tickly, so a few wriggles are perfectly normal. You still need to make sure you get a good coverage over the entire foot with a good amount of paint. So start from the heels, work up to the toes, and get that paint all over. Once you've done this, bring the piece of pottery to the footprint. Start again at the heel of the foot, place the foot down and roll up to the toes. Give a good press and a gentle rock from side to side with the pottery and release. There we go. Often you can end up with accidental smudge or scuff marks when taking your print. Don't worry about this, we can sand off any additional bits that shouldn't be there and add a dab of paint if you're missing any parts of your print. Once we've done any corrections to your print, we'll be ready to add the design and writing to give you a really beautiful finished piece.